In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do smooth slow-mo in Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any clip into buttery, cinematic slow motion that looks clean and professional, without the jittery or choppy frames you sometimes see. Start by opening Capcut, either in your browser or in the app. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection if you're using the web version, and it's always a good idea to keep the app updated for the best performance. Higher frame rate footage, like 60 frames per second or more, will give you the smoothest results, but this method works well on most clips. Create a new project and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. That's the standard widescreen format for platforms like YouTube and most landscape videos. If your final destination is different, don't worry. You can still start in 16:9 now and adjust later. Choosing the right canvas early just helps you frame your subject and keep your composition in mind as you edit. Add your video to the project. You can import your file and drag it onto the timeline, then make sure the clip is selected so the editing tools apply to the right piece. Give the playhead a quick scrub through the section you want to slow down to confirm you're working on the exact moment with action, detail, or movement that will benefit from slow motion. Open the speed control. You'll see options to change how fast or slow the clip plays. For a consistent slow motion, stick with the normal speed mode and pick how slow you want the clip to be. Something like 0.5x is a great starting point, and 0.25x can look great on high frame rate footage. If your clip was shot at 24 or 30 frames per second, avoid extreme slowdowns, because that's where jitter can creep in. Now enable Smooth Slow-Mo. This tells Capcut to generate the in-between frames that make motion look fluid, rather than just repeating or blending frames. Depending on your device and clip length, it may take a moment to analyze and process. Let it finish before judging the result. Once it's done, play the section back at full preview quality. If you notice any warping or artifacts on fast-moving edges, try easing up the slowdown slightly, or applying the effect to the portion of the clip with the cleanest motion. That's all you need. Open Capcut, create a 16:9 project, add your video, adjust the speed, and turn on Smooth Slow-Mo. With a bit of testing to find the right percentage for your footage, you'll get a silky, cinematic look that elevates your edit instantly.